Hello. In this video, I am going to show you how to add a signature to your Gmail account. For that, first thing what you need to do is to get signed in to your mail, Gmail. Then after come here from to settings, and then after come to see all settings. After that, scroll down and stop where you can see signature and click on quick create new. Name it. Then after create. Here you can give the detail with picture images if you want. You may add your names. I'll just give here books. I'll go to the next line. You can do the formatting, details about yourself you can add here, including your image. I'll show you that how to do so. I'll just make the text bold, underlined also. Then after I've done it, I'll be just going to images. Now if a picture is saved in your device, so you can go directly there and upload from your device. I have one image here. Yeah, I'll just take that one, books, and we'll open it. So once, yeah, it will come. Uploads, select file, we'll take the picture and do open. After that, you can come down and click on save changes. So signature is added to your mail. Now from wherever you create or click on create, compose. Once more we shall go back. I think we forgot to add here save one. Settings, signature, books. Okay, we have forgot to add here that signature that we have created. It will be implemented for the new mails, and of course while we are replying an email. And let's see what the signature will be added there. Signature will be books, and there are two images. I'm just going to erase one and another one will be there. Then after click on save. Okay, if you don't keep this one here, signature and signature, then the name you have given with which you have created the signature must be kept here also. Then after click on save changes. As soon as you have done, you can come back to your compose mail, and you can see that here picture is coming. You can see in a short form, and here is showing you books. Now you can compose your mail. You can compose the mail. Okay, recipients names with proper subject. You can continue writing your mail and send. As the picture was a big one, so it has not been uploaded, you can take a small less size picture that you want to add as a signature in your to prove your details while sending a mail or replying an email, so that whom you are sending will get whole detail about yourself. And then after you compose the mail and send it. Thank you.